Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Today is Saturday. Time is around 2:20 p.m. Today we will be discussing very interesting trade, actually couple of trades. But before we go into that, I would like to tell you that as posted in the WhatsApp group, there shall be a contest, and the prize is already posted into the WhatsApp group. So basically, we will be having a contest about couple of trades, which I will tell you later. Before I go into the details, I'll be talking about the recap of what I told you in the previous video about the stock selection. I hope everyone got it, but people who didn't get it, I'll tell again. So we are going with the stock selection, the basic stock selection. How did we do that? We type in NSE pre-open. So when you type in pre-open, you go into a link which is the pre-open market. We open this around 9:08 a.m. So you can see that the time here, the mentioned time here is 9:07:59. So 9 hour 7 minutes 59 seconds. So in the morning at 9:07:59 seconds, this website starts getting generated. And you can see the data. So around 9:50, 9:08 a.m., you can look at the data, and you can try to find stocks which are among first 5 or 7 stocks on the top and first 5 or 7 stocks at the bottom. You can even download the CSV if you want. And at around 9:18 a.m., you can go into site called NSE OI Spurt. It's very it's it's very easy to find this the website. Just type in NSE OI Spurt, type on the link, and you shall find OI Spurt. So your aim is to find common stocks which came in the first 5 or 7 in the pre-open, and try to find same stocks into the OI Spurt list. So suppose this is the list opening around 9:18 a.m. So we will try to see if we can find a pre-open common stock among both lists. We will we will do the same process for the bottom 5 or 7 stocks in the pre-open and match them if any stock comes which matches with the bottom of the OI Spurt list. Suppose you find common stocks, they will become your watch list for the day. If you suppose you don't find any common stocks, then you need to use discretion and see which stock is coming into the OI Spurt at a later time during the day. For example, suppose I checked at 9:18 a.m. and I didn't find any common stock between the OI Spurt and the pre-open market. So what I did was I kept on checking the pre-open market after the interval of 5 minutes each. Sorry, the OI Spurt after the interval of 5 minutes each. And there will be some stock, for example, Cipla or Adani Enterprises or Sun Pharma, which will come into OI spurts maybe at 9:20 a.m. or 9:30 a.m. That will be a very, very good stock. But suppose you don't find anything even till 9:30, 9:40, then you can also keep a check on a stock which has given a very good volume. Have a look at the volumes here in the OI spurt. So if you find very good volume here, for example, there are some stocks which are giving very, very high volume here. So you can keep them on your watch list. I'm going from top highest to lowest. So you can see that there is one stock called M&M which has got a very high volume here, or which has got a very high open interest, for example. So you can try to keep them in your watch list and see if you can trade around whenever the price action allows. So don't limit yourself to a common stock, but if you find a common stock, that is the best stock. But if you don't find a common stock between two lists, then choose a stock with high delivery. So anyway, let's come down to the main topic today. I'll be closing this OI spurt at this stage. I'll be closing the pre-open. Let us look at the actual contest which we will be having with you. This contest is for two stocks. One is Nykaa and one is IGL, Indraprastha Gas Limited. So, okay, let's concentrate on the IGL first. So, if you were serious around in the group yesterday, you would have seen that there was a very good movement in the Nykaa stock. Let's open it on the 1 minute time frame. There was a very good movement initially in the IGL and initially in the IGL, and it continued for the rest of the day. It went on the 20th of February. On we are talking about the day before yesterday. So if you look at the movement here, you will see a very good. It was like a one-sided movement all throughout the day. It just continued like anything. You see, all that area is too uh, too steep. We call it as, and so I'll just change the visibility and I'll change the background as well just to make you better understand. So this trade was a very good trade. But let's look at the Nykaa here. So what happened with Nykaa? Do you see, did Nykaa go all the way through? No. That Nykaa fell down from here and there was a stop loss as was advertised in the WhatsApp group. Let me go on the, so there was a stop loss in the Nykaa on 20th of February. So what is the contest all about? You have to tell why Nykaa fell and why IGL was a success. I'm repeating it. I'll write it down for you so that you better understand. So I am going here and typing in why Nykaa was a SL, comma, why IGL was a success on 20th Feb. So these are the two questions you should be asking yourself. Why Nykaa was a stop loss and why IGL was a success, both on 20th of Feb. So people who will be able to give the right answer will get the prize money as advertised in that WhatsApp group. And if there are more than one winner, we will be sharing the proceeds. So please go through these two stocks because it will give you a very, very beautiful knowledge. Why Nykaa fell around this area? What was happening around this area that Nykaa had to fall, and why IGL had to succeed. Make sure that you do a lot of good analysis before you give the answer. And as you see that we will be having a very good prize money for that. And if there are more than one winners, we will be sharing those proceeds. And the prize money exactly is the National Aluminium Feb 200 CE. So whatever profit was earned in that trade will be shared among the winners. So I hope you will all be giving good answers, and we shall be waiting for your response. Thank you very much, and I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and share because we are not taking any money from you for this knowledge. We are just giving you a good knowledge so that you do a good success with your trades. We are not like others, you know. So we will never be asking. We have never asked for money, and we will never be asking for money because we don't need money. We make money from trades. We don't need subscriber money at all. Okay. So anyone who asks for subscriber money is actually in loss and trying to make up the loss from the subscriber money. We do not need any subscriber money from you. Anyways, have a good rest of the weekend ahead and see you on Monday. Cheers.